Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And in today's video of S.I.A.M, which is Samsung in a minute, we will be talking about the topic of S Pen. Now, if you watched the video from yesterday, that was part 1, but because there's so many features that this phone packs with that S Pen, I had to do a part 2, which brings us today as episode 3. Now let's start this timer and let's get going. So starting this video off, we're going to talk about how you're able to select multiple images at once. So then this way you'd be able to share, delete, or move them to a different folder. So there might be a time where you took a whole bunch of different images, but you either have to share them, delete them, or move them to a different folder. Press and hold on that little S Pen button, and then select all the images with that little blue little box. This gives you the option to share, delete, or you can move them to another folder or album. Now this one will definitely come in handy if you're somebody who is a huge note taker. Now if your phone is off and it's locked, it's in the always on display. If you pull the S Pen out, this is referred to as the screen off memo. And if you're inside of here, let's say that you need to go to the store and you need to buy eggs. Let's say you need to also do milk, but you definitely don't want to forget about this. You have the pin option on the very top, and you're able to save this as a pin to your always on display. The first one is able to double tap on that icon to show it, so in this way it's always shown, or you'd be able to minimize it. Now, if you are completely done with getting your milk and your eggs, you can double tap on that little trash can, and now it is deleted. Now, this next tip is a way that it allows you to have your S Pen inside of your phone and let you use another S Pen, either the different S Pen that came from Samsung or this one that comes from the Stellar digital pen. Now, this one looks just like a pencil, which is the reason why I purchased it. But if you would like to turn on this feature, you do want to head over inside of your settings. You're going to go down to your advanced features, click on S Pen, and underneath S Pen, you have an option right here where it says Power Saver. Now, you can see and notice that I cannot turn this one back off, even though I had the ease of use of turning it on and off and going through all my different settings. And it's because once you have this one turned off, which is Power Saver, now you're able to use a secondary S Pen, or in this case, the Stellar digital pen. Now, for the last trick, we will be talking about something that you're maybe hoping that I was going to talk about in this video, which is changing the sounds of the S Pen when you insert it, as well as the detachment. Now, these ones are the sounds of Mario, and there's a whole bunch of other ones. The other popular ones is going to be the lightsaber sounds. Now, if you want to have this and change your sounds of the S Pen, you're going to download an app that is third party. It is called Note Buddy. Once you have Note Buddy there, you enabled it and you went through everything. In terms of all the different sounds, you have the insertion and the detachment that you'd be able to change. And then if you would like to see the full review and details of how to do all of this, I will have a link inside the description below the video, linking you to that video where I talk about changing the customization sounds of your S Pen. So I hope that you guys have liked this episode of S.I.A.M, and if you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit on subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss future videos. And if there's a topic you would like for me to cover inside of Samsung in a minute, please write your comment below the video. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family and social media sites. This link for this digital S Pen will be below the video inside the description as well. And outside of that, I will see you guys later.